If you're watching this video right now, you probably don't have any money to trade with. You're probably an aspiring trader, or maybe you blew your money trading, or you just started trading. I want to let you know that this video is very important. You should take notes, so get a pen and paper, take notes. One more thing, if you can't watch a video longer than 2 minutes, I'll need you to click off this video and go watch a TikTok or something like that, because this video is going to be very important and there's a lot of detail in this video. So I want you to take this seriously. Let's get right to it. Okay, welcome to another video, and as you see in the title, this is exactly how you can trade Forex without any money. I know, sounds crazy, but you can do it. So let's get into this. So this is how you trade Forex with no money. But first, I want you guys to like and subscribe. And what should you know? I want you guys to think of these 3 things and to know these 3 things. Number 1, do you actually want to trade? Because trading is a long game. It's a long-term game. It's not going to be easy. I'll be honest. You're not just going to make £1 million in like a year. It's just not going to happen. So you actually have to know if you actually want to trade. And as I said before, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Like trading is not easy. It's not gonna be a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to make £1 million, as I said, in a week. It's just not going to happen. And you also have to put the work in. So if you've decided you actually want to trade, you know it's not a get rich quick scheme, you have to put in the work. I'll be honest with you guys, you have to put in the work. So the background of currency markets, Forex, whatever people want to call it, I don't really care. So it's a global financial market that allows you to trade currencies. So currencies like GBP, JPY, everyone knows currencies. You trade currencies without even knowing you trade currencies. If you go to a country, you have to convert your pounds or dollars into whatever that country's currency is in. And if you come back, you might get less. Like if you've not spent the money and you came back, you might have less or more. You're basically trading. That's basically the whole point. So you buy or sell currencies depending on your opinion. If you think it's going to go up, you're going to buy. If you think it's going to come down, you're going to sell. It's not really that hard. And there's a 6.6 trillion a day compared to the stock market. So there's $6.6 trillion in transaction in the Forex market every single day. I think the stock market is about 200 billion. Let me know if I'm wrong in the comments. Let me know the actual, but I think it is 200 billion. So if there's a $6.6 trillion market, you can easily pull out, I don't know, £100, £200, £300 in that $6.6 trillion market. Like, come on. You can easily pull out something from there. Okay, so the reason why you're probably watching this video right now, you probably have no money or you don't want to spend any of your money. But most likely, you've probably got no money that you can invest in. You probably go on Instagram, see all these gurus. Some of them are scammers, I'll be so honest with you. They've probably got all the nice cars, the nice watches. As you can see, there's a Lambo here and a nice watch. I don't know what that watch is, so let me know in the comments if you know. They've probably got all that. You see that. And you decide, oh, maybe some of them are traders. You want these stuff that they have, so you want to get. That's why you want to trade. But let me break it to you right now. Let me bring you back down to earth. You're not going to turn $50 into 5 million. It's just not going to happen. I feel like that's a very dangerous mindset. If you have that mindset, you're basically just going to gamble. And I don't know any gambler that's made any money. Most of them lose all their money. So, because the Forex market can be gambling, I'll be so honest with you. I used to do it. I used to gamble. I'll say maybe when I first started, put £100. Maybe I got lucky, turned it into 200, and I'm happy. I'm like, wow, you can make money like that. And yeah, it was just gambling. So that's a dangerous mindset to have. You're not going to turn $50 into 5 million. If you do, let me know, and I will love to invest in you. However, the good news is you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money. I know I did just say you're not going to turn $50 into 5 million. That's true. But you can still turn it into a good amount. So, for example, there's many ways to make money. especially in the trading market, the currency trading market. But first, you need to learn how to actually make money, which is very important. Like, I need you guys to be writing what I'm saying down. You need to learn how to actually make money. So you need to understand the basics of things. You need a strategy, and this could be support, resistance, SMA, ICT. Personally, I don't believe any of those work, but I feel like they're good level to get a basic understanding of how to trade. I wouldn't advise spending your actual money into trading those strategies, but they definitely teach you the basics. I'll say they give you some sort of understanding of the market. I feel like everyone needs their own strategy, or a strategy that actually works. So, like, for example, the SEL strategy, which is my strategy. I based that off because I knew how bad support resistance was, SMA was, or ICT was. It doesn't work. It's outdated and doesn't work. However, I used what I learned from all these other strategies and curated my own strategy that actually works. So I need you guys to listen carefully here. If you're not already taking notes, I need to start taking notes right now. So let's say you've gone from step 1, which is understanding the basics, getting a strategy, etc. This is basically step 2. You already understand the basics, you have a strategy. But you have no money at all. That's the problem. So I need you to listen to this. These are the 3 or 4 steps I have. 3 steps. First, you have to do these steps step by step. You don't skip any. So number 1, use a demo account. So for people who don't know what demo account is, it's where you still have the opportunity to trade the markets, but you're not risking your own money. It's basically prop money. It's fake money. The money doesn't exist, but you're basically pretending to trade, but you're also trading at the same time. So the reason why I say use a demo account, I know you probably don't want to, but you have to. It gives you an opportunity to slowly enter the world of trading. So rather than just putting £1,000 and losing it all, which you probably will, using a demo account, you can learn from the mistakes you made. You should pretend with a demo account that it's a real account. And with that, you'll be able to fix your strategy, see where you went wrong. I feel like a demo account is the best place to start right now. So if you need any help with maybe getting a demo account, any of that, all of that, just DM me and I got you. You can find my Instagram, mahim.banks. You can find it. Just DM me and I'll help you. Step 2, there are some brokers that do no deposit bonuses. So if you sign up for with them, you get like maybe £5 of actual money to trade with. Obviously, $5, £5 is not crazy amount of money, but it's something. It's better than zero. This is for the people who have zero money to trade. Now you have 5. Number 3, this is very important. This applies to both demo account or the no deposit bonuses. You have to build a portfolio. So portfolio is where, let's say I'm an investor, I'm looking for people who wants maybe, let's say I was looking to work with people. And you come to me saying you can trade all of that. I would ask, do you have a portfolio? Can I see proof that you can actually trade? So maybe with a demo account or with the no deposit bonuses account, you've maybe traded that for maybe a year. You're profitable. Traded it for a year. You're going to show me your account history. I'll look at it and I'll say, oh, you actually know how to trade, and I'll give you money. So there's many people who want to invest their money. There's so many people. I know tons of people want to invest their money. And even I'm one of them. So I'm also looking for people to invest my money. So I'm looking for around 30 traders to invest in. So if you know how to trade, you've gotten good at it, I want to spread my money now at this point and have people basically trading for me, and obviously you will keep most of the percentage of that. Just DM me for more information and we can talk through that as well. So what have we learned today? You're not going to turn 50,000 into 5 million. It's not going to happen. That's impossible. You can also start trading with no money, as you can see if you watch the video. And these 3 steps are very important. So make sure you follow them. Make sure to even rewatch the video and listen to exactly what I said. And if you also want to maybe share this video, it will be very helpful. I would appreciate it. And also I'm looking for people to trade my money. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.